Baked bean toastie. Simple, delicious and a great choice for breakfast. Baked beans and rich tomato sauce are a staple of any store cupboard. They are a reliable and go-to choice to fill you up, give you a good hit of protein and fibre and lift your mood on a dull day. After all, who hasn't got a fond childhood memory or two of being served beans on toast with lashings of butter on a cold winter's night after school? But for an even better way to enjoy the magic combination of beans, butter and toast, then a baked bean toastie is the way to go. Being a toastie, it's also super easy to add a few more ingredients should you want to. Ingredients like cheese, bacon, mushrooms or even an egg. But let's start with the basics, and you can add away to your heart's content later. And the baked bean toastie is also a great breakfast choice, because after a simple construction you can leave it in the toasted sandwich maker for a good 10 minutes, allowing you to get on with your morning routine. For me, this would be getting the kids' breakfast done. Also, and most importantly, a baked bean toastie pairs brilliantly with a cup of tea. Now the key step to a successful baked bean toastie is pressing down the beans into the bread to make a well. This way you can load them up in the sandwich to create two hot pockets of beanie loveliness to enjoy. Now this recipe is also so simple you don't need any particular special equipment. A simple sandwich maker will do. Do you need to buy any special beans for this? Nope, nothing special at all. Simple tin beans and tomato sauce. So how to serve a baked bean toastie. As you can see from this video, I'm chopping mine up into lovely quarters to serve for my son, serving it with a bit of cheese on the side. But for a morning twist, leave it in quarters and serve it with a soft boiled egg. The toastie can then become your soldiers to dip into the egg. Yum! This is a simple, easy recipe that makes a great twist on breakfast. Give it a go today.